There is a bridge in Scotland that turns dogs into suicidal maniacs. It's called Overtoun Bridge. And since the 1950s, 600 dogs have jumped off it. They don't slip. They don't fall. They run and jump intentionally. The creepy part? They always jump from the exact same spot. And they are always long-nosed breeds, like collies. Locals say it's the White Lady of Overtown, a ghost haunting the bridge. Scientists think it might be the scent of minks driving them crazy. But here is the nightmare fuel. The dogs that survive the 50-foot fall. Climb back up and jump again. Would you walk your dog here?